I could do a muscle up, right? That's embarrassing. All right, just cut it off now, and then we just do the, yeah. Welcome back, guys, to our, welcome back, guys, to our video, okay, our series on how to have tight, strong, abs. My abs are actually not the best, but I'm even getting there. So, as our last video, we talked about isometric movements. So, that is basically holding your body or holding a weight or holding something for a period of time, okay, instead of like doing contractions and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So, I gave you some few in the last workout. The same thing with this workout, guys, is our microphone. We don't have a microphone, so I understand the voice may be a little bit cloudy. Okay, we're still professionals though, so it's like, you know, whatever. We're still out here in these streets. So, kettlebells. All right, this is another workout. In this video, we're going to show you how to do the one arm and two arm kettlebells. All right, so one of the most important things with the kettlebells is keeping a neutral spine. So as long as you have a neutral spine and a adjustable weight, a weight that you're comfortable with, this will be fine. So basically, you're going to take your kettlebell, you're going to have that neutral spine with your spine kind of straight, right? So when you dip down, remember, you're going to use your hip hinge in this. So I guess the best way to explain this is you're going to toot that ass out. So you're basically going to move your butt, and your butt is going to come down. You're going to feel a lot in the hamstrings, right? And then you're going to use that force, that elastic energy, to swing the weight back up, all right, to about shoulder level, and then you're going to swing it back down. And at that point, you just swing it, okay? So you can use a standard dumbbell, all right? This is a 20-pound dumbbell. You can use something similar to this. You can go a little bit heavier, but dumbbells will work, all right? If you don't have kettlebells. If you don't have kettlebells, you can use dumbbells, all right? It's a good thing about free weights, you know, there's really adjustment. Look, guys, the same thing goes for the one arm kettlebell swing as well as it would be for the two arms, okay? There's no difference at all, all right? Hope this video, guys, helps. This is going to really help you out as far as your hip. The most power we have is in our lower body and our core. These are the two biggest, that's where a lot of our power comes from, okay? Having a strong core is going to make sure your back is stabilized. Your back, I don't need to even explain why your back is so important. Hope this, guys, helps. Like I always say, this video is sponsored by Gold Star Nutrition. All right, so if you guys need anything as far as supplements wise, look in the description down below. Their link is going to be there. Use the promo code PWBeast, and then you're going to be able to get a whole bunch of nitty gritty stuff for like 10% off, okay? And if you need a personal trainer, hit me up. I do weekly planners and diet planners and just cuz planners, and then we're going to go ahead and get you solid as a rock and then looking the best so you can have your best life, all right? Thank you, guys. Peace!